I am excited to have had the Confidence Group on my campus to work with my students. You've done an excellent job helping us build character with the students here at Burleson. I think as far as their experience, students are kinder to each other. We see them working to be good citizens, to be what we call outstanding owls here at Burleson. And we look forward to them incorporating those things into their character that help them have good life skills. They've been working together in cooperative groups. They've been learning some things about themselves and about others, how to treat people, and how to work in an environment where they are cooperative.